Guys, this is master. So this question is based on some of the modules, but I'm going to solve as a linear system. This one is the equations of three variables x, y, and z. So you have to solve for x, y, and z. So I'm going to show you how to solve it very easy and very fast. So we're going to use matrix. If you did maths in maybe BSc level, you're gonna know, even if like it's engineering, you're gonna know that the method I'm using is for Euler's method. So now I'm going to use like a matrix, and I'm gonna be doing some operations on matrix, but it's very easy and understandable. So the first thing that you do, we're going to record the numbers down. We're gonna leave the x and y and z. So we're just gonna write number 2, 1, and minus 1, 2 again, and 2 and 1, 1, 1, and minus 1, over 4, 12, and 3. So now what we're gonna do, we're going to make sure that this side, these two are zeros. So what can we're gonna be using the first equation, then we're gonna be it's either we're gonna be subtracting or adding. So when I do that, I'm gonna first copy the first equation is 1, 2, 1 minus 1 as it is, and 4. So if I can say this matrix, but this equation minus this one, if I say 2 minus 2, I'm going to get 0. If I say 2 minus 1, I'm going to get 1. If I say 1 minus 1, I'm going to get 2. If I say 12 minus 4, I'm going to get 8. So for this one is 1 and there is 2. So which means we can multiply this equation by 2. When we multiply it by 2, we're going to have these values. It's going to be 2, 2 minus 2, and what? And 6. So if we say 2 minus 2, we're going to get 0. If we say 2 minus 1, we're going to get 1. If we say minus 2 minus what? Minus 2 minus 2 minus minus 1, we're going to get minus 2. This one is going to say minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, we're going to get what? Minus 2 minus 1 is going to get minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1. Then after that, we're going to say 6 minus 2, 6 minus 4. This 6 minus 4, we're going to get what? We're going to get 2. Yeah, we're going to get 2. So now we have these values. So now you can see here we have 0. If I can say 0 minus 0, it's going to be 0. If I can say 1 minus 1, here I'm going to get what? 0. So the second step, you can copy 2, 1 and minus 1, and what? And 4, 0, 1, and 2, and 8. So after that, we're going to say 0 minus 0 is going to give us 0. 1 minus 1 is going to give us 0. Minus 1 minus 2, we're going to get minus 3. Then 2 minus 8, we're going to get minus 6. So when we get minus 6 in our matrix, now what we just did, we just did a good maths. So now this one means minus 3. Remember the equation is x, y, and z. So now this one is like minus 3z equals to minus 6. So this implies that our z equals to is 2. So when we have 2, now we're going to say y plus 2z equals to 8. So this implies that our y equals to 8 minus 2 in brackets. We take the other one, 2 in brackets, 2. So which means our y becomes what? 4. So now we go to x, our 2x. We're using this one, 2x plus y minus z equals to 4. So which means my 2x is going to be equals to 4 minus 4 plus what? Plus 2, which is going to be equals to 2. Then our x becomes what? 1, because we're going to divide by 2. So after that, the value that we got that x equals to 1, and then we get that y equals to 4. Then we see that z equals to 2. So we just solved that equation using what? The matrix. Very simple method and easy to be understandable. So if you want to see more videos,